today in my video I'm gonna teach you how to adjust your audio in Final Cut Pro. So first what you need to go to Final Cut Pro, and as you can see I have a project over here which is has the same audio. So first what I need to do is let's play it and see. So as you can see, the volume is same and there's no adjustment done in the volume. So there are many ways to fix this issue, but for me the easiest way is go over here, as you can see, the blue mouse, and click this button, and now you select the option played and you have your volume over here. So let me change my volume from here to this much. So now as you can see there is a gap between this part, the right part and the left part. So after you're done doing this, as you can see, I can adjust the volume over here. I'm going to lower it, and the other places it's going to be high. Now let's see how it looks. So now as you can see that the volume are different. At the first stage it's quite high, and at the second stage it gets low, and then it again gets high. So this is how you can change your volume. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.